Do you want to become a profitable trader? Hi, I'm CA Rudramurthy, author, trader, and trainer. Welcomes you to Easy Money Show. Today, Nifty ended 30 points to 40 points up, and Nifty futures ended at around 15,750. This level, which was acting as a crucial support before on Nifty futures, is now acting as resistance. Yes, the top learning in technical analysis is whenever a support gets broken, the same level now starts acting as resistance, and once a resistance gets broken, the same level now acts as support. I always say support and resistance is so crucial to understand the demand and supply at a particular price range. And I always say, as simple as this is support and resistance, if you see this room where I am, the roof is called as resistance to me, and the floor what I have is a support. If I start jumping, my head can only reach up to the roof, and it cannot go beyond that, so that roof will act as resistance, and the floor what I have down is support. Now the important strategy one can follow is buy at support and sell at resistance. However, this rule holds good only if the support or resistance is held, because if the resistance gets broken, then it will act as next support for me. In this example, if you break the roof and go above to the next floor on the top, assuming this is ground floor and I have the first floor at the top, once you break the resistance and move up, that resistance will act as support in the next floor. So support and resistances are very crucial, and for Nifty futures now the level is at 15,750, which has got broken already, and now this line is acting as resistance. If you look at Bank Nifty, similar level on Bank Nifty future is at 35,100. This was acting as a strong support before, and once we broke 35,100, every rise to 35,000 to 35,100 is getting sold, and that is acting as strict resistance. Now what is very important is this market is trading with so low volumes and VIX at around 13, and premiums are so small. Even option sellers are finding it difficult to sell options in this very narrow market, because premiums are so less, because of VIX being at 13. And also what is very important is theta or time decay, which generally happens faster in case of weekly expiry and bit slower in case of monthly expiry. Even the time decay or theta right now is not supporting as much as what it used to be normally for an option seller. However, for an option buyer, there is no momentum in the market. So option buyers also has nothing to do. Option sellers also has nothing to do. And this market has been more a stock specific market. And in fact, today in ET Now morning when I came live, I gave the call in ET Now English that Britannia is a stock specific sell call, and I see distribution patterns in last 2-3 days. Open interest getting built on the negative side is a good shorting candidate, and irrespective of market, we saw Britannia collapsing and falling down over 70 to 80 points, and it was in fact down 1.5%. In a positive market too, where there was a great recovery in the second half today, Britannia had no recovery. From the morning, it made a pattern called open high pattern, which is bearish, and from the morning open high pattern, it just moved on one side, and around 60-70 points easy move came on Britannia on the downside. Also, let me tell you, today's stock specific to my HNI clients and to people who are very close followers, I gave a sell call on Adani Enterprise. My friend circle always says, never ever short Adani Enterprises, and they say the movement is violent in Adani Enterprises. Yes, over 74-75% close to that holding is from promoter side, and 24% is held by FIIs and the group related to promoters, and the foreign institutional investors hold 24%. That means 99% of this stock is controlled by the FII and the promoter, and the free float is only 1%. So all my big learned trader friends, they never ever touch Adani Enterprises, especially on the short side, and they say there is nothing for market to decide because 99% is controlled and only 1% is the free float. And recently, you all know, promoters are also buying stake in this correction whatever happened in Adani, but I had the guts to sell Adani because my charts told me that yes, Adani Enterprises today gave a whopping fall from 1510 levels on Adani Enterprises, where the short call was initiated. Even at 1500 break, I added to my shorts, and you saw it coming till 1416 on futures, and I covered at 1420. Yes, around 80 to 90 points on Adani Enterprises, stock in futures down 5%, and one good trade like this is enough to take care of many small trades which you might have ended in loss. The big learning from this for each one of you is always ensure it does not matter how many times you are right or wrong. What matters is when you are right, how much more money you made, and when you are wrong, how much less money you lost. That is what matters, and you can't be right every time you trade unless you are God or unless you are a liar. So I am neither God nor liar, and today it has been more play in all this social media to pull each other's leg, and people are actually enjoying watching that as a jokers program than stock market program. Even I get a lot of entertainment seeing that, but I don't want to fight in that mud at any cost. And all these learnings what we are getting, we learned what is support, what is resistance, how if a previous resistance gets broken acts as support, and how is a if a previous support gets broken acts as resistance. And also this market being more a stock specific market, and you also understood the float in Adani Enterprises which I explained. Britannia, a sell call which was publicly given to everyone today, gave money. So it is all in the right stock selection, position sizing, good entry, and if your trading system can give you these stuffs like how I use market profile to determine these type of momentum moves and exact levels to take entry, target and stop losses with good risk management, you are sure to make money overall in this market. So friends, enjoy the weekend, and I'll be coming out with very special videos this weekend. I want to discuss especially option Greeks in our profitable options, and also one very special episode on this weekend. I'll be giving it to you for more learning in trading. So till then, enjoy, and I'm sure this program, as usual, like any other programs of ours in Easy Money Show, has given you a lot of learning and lot of earning. Take care, have a fantastic weekend. I also want to celebrate my victory now on Adani Enterprises and Britannia short, and also a lot of money which has been made. I want to celebrate it with helping others and doing a lot of prayers. That gives me happiness and satisfaction. Do whatever gives you happiness and satisfaction, and always keep your inner child as happy as possible so that we can give more to people around us. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and don't miss the weekend program. Tomorrow, day after, I will give you special ones, and as usual, Monday we will be back with more stock analysis, index, Nifty, Bank Nifty levels. Take care. Thank you. Bye bye.